नमस्कार स्वागत छ सिक्किम क्रोनिकलमा। सिक्किममा म्याराथनको प्रथा अहिले हालैमा पुरा चल्दैछ र हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइललाई गान्तोकियन्सहरूले र साथैमा पहाडी राज्यको अन्य अरू मेम्बर्सहरूले पनि आफ्नो लाइफको एउटा हिस्सा बनाउन सकेको छ र सिक्किममा आइदिन हामीले म्याराथन्स पुरा देख्न पाएको छ र यसै क्रममा आज भने गान्तोक हिल हाफ म्याराथन 2021 राखिएको थियो र यो म्याराथनमा फर्स्ट टाइम रनर्सहरू फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट गर्ने म्याराथन्सहरूको धेरै नयाँ फेसेस न्यू फेसेसहरू हामीले देख्यौँ र आज यसै न्यू फेसेसहरूसित हामी बातचित गर्नेछौँ। Your name?
My name is Hishala.
So this is the first time that you participated in a marathon?
Yes.
So how do you feel and what do you think of marathon as a part of your life?
Okay, this running has been a very important, it plays a very important role in my life because I started running last year I think in the month of June 2020. So this is my first marathon and I've been, thoroughly encouraged and by all of my teammates and my well-wishers. So it feels amazing right now. So I'm feeling on top of the world.
The first marathon you've participated, so what is the future goals? Like since you participated first time, how was the experience and would you like to continue marathon?
Yeah, so since this was the first time, I was a bit skeptical about whether I'd be able to finish it or not. So now I've completed it, so now I have the confidence and I believe that I can go to other states or wherever this marathon will happen in future. Definitely I'm going to go and take part in there.
What message would you like to give to the viewers?
Yeah, so I would encourage everyone to be very active and to take care of their health as well because it is very important. After all, health is wealth, right? So yeah, you just start running, do physical activity, whatever it is, walking, running or whatever it takes. So just go for it and do it.
र हामीसँगै अरू फर्स्ट टाइमर्सहरू पनि हुनुहुन्छ र हरेक क्षेत्रको बाट आउनु भएको छ है म्याराथनमा not just young people, not just old people, but people from every field have joined today.
Arindam Sirohia.
Sahil Goel from Gangtok.
So how do you feel regarding you participating in marathon?
It was a nice experience. I've participated for the first time in a marathon and that also 21 kilometer. It actually tests your mental strength to the core, right? And you just think that you have to finish it at the end. Somehow you have to just finish it. That's it.
So how was the preparation for your first marathon?
I think we practiced for 10-15 days. We were running for 10-11 kilometers every day. But it was really a good experience. We finished the race in 2 hours 30 minutes. So I think that's a great achievement. And yeah, I think everyone should participate. Go on, keep running. Thank you.
Marathon सोच्दा people see it as a sport, only athletic build भएको मान्छेहरूले मात्रै participate गर्ने सोच्छन् है marathon first आउँदै है मनमा. As a layman what is marathon for you? How would you describe it?
For marathon for me is it's a target, right, which you have to achieve at the end. So it is not what only athletes can do. I am working from home since last 2 years, right? I rarely come out of my home, but here it was an opportunity for me to come out and explore something which I have never done, right? And it's something which everyone can do. It's not only the athletes can do, and they just can come and test if they can finish it and they can just meet the target at the end, right? That's all.
So what message would you like to give to those who are skeptical about marathon who wants to participate तर कहीं गएर they're stopping themselves उहाँहरूलाई के message दिन चाहनुहुन्छ?
So the message will be go explore yourself, right? See what you can do. You don't need 2 or 3 months of practice before coming. You can just practice for 10 days or 1 week, right? Just do in small hops, first 1 kilometer, then 2 kilometers, and then increase it as you can, right? You don't have to push yourself to the core. You just have to try to finish it. That's all. So
yeah, I think winning or losing doesn't matter. Participation is must. Even if you participate, you are a winner.
So would you participate in upcoming marathon?
Yes, obviously.
Your name?
Zigme.
तपाईँ marathon first time participate गर्नुभएको?
Yeah, this is probably my first marathon, 21 kilometers, the first time.
21 kilometers.
Yeah, this is the first.
So what does marathon mean to you and how long have you been practicing for this run?
Well, honestly, I've not been practicing for this, but it was just a random call. I just came here to practice. But this marathon was supposed to take place, I think, quite some time ago, but due to some COVID pandemic things and it got postponed. No, like I was really not ready for this thing, but this was definitely a success. I would say it was a great one, and it was. I mean, the route was also definitely very good. It was tough. It was an amalgamation of tough and soft, so it was nice in a way.
So how long did you take for this marathon to complete?
Well, it's like 21 kilometers. Before that, I've ran the short runs like 15 kilometers or probably 10. Well, it was good, but compared to the previous one, it was definitely not so good because although I came under 2 hours, but it was a tough one. It took everything out of me. So yeah, it was a very challenging. So I came before 2 hours.
So this was a sort of a challenge for you since it was your first time. But along with it, what message would you like to give to those who are like willing to participate in sports like marathon, but somehow they're like skeptical about it? So what message would you like to give to them?
So message that I like to give is very short and simple. Short and simple as in like, see, there are a lot of runners over here, but I think especially I feel like there should be more of people of the age between 21 to 25 joining in, but there were less number I see. I think it's important that more of people of the youthful age to come in and take part in this kind of competition. It's really amazing, not only for your fitness but also for your health and other things as well, right? For your personal development and all this. So yes, I feel like everyone should take part in this. This is definitely a challenge because marathon, it's a long distance, it's not a short one. So yeah, I think it's a challenge, but it's not impossible, right? It's possible. So I think everyone should come in and take this part in this. This is really amazing.
हामीसित फर्स्ट टाइम सिक्किम म्याराथनमा पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुहुने दार्जिलिङबाट हुनुहुन्छ है कोही रनर्सहरू र सर्वप्रथम तपाईँको नाम दिन सुरु गरौँ।
मेरो नाम पेमा भोटिया, हामी दार्जिलिङ डालीको ब्लुमफिल्ड डाली हिल रनर्सको हो। हामी यहाँ हाम्रो दाजु सन्तोष तामाङ इज 60+, रबिन प्रधान, अजय थापा।
तपाईँ सबैलाई है एकै पुस्तामा स्वागत छ सिक्किम क्रनिकलमा र स्वागत छ सिक्किममा पनि। र म्याराथनमा अहिले जुन कोरोनाको सङ्क्रमण घटेको छैन र यो कोरोना कालमै स्पोर्ट्सलाई मान्छेहरूले आफ्नो जीवनको एउटा हिस्सा बनाएको छ है र तपाईँहरू डिफ्रेन्ट एज ग्रुपबाट पनि हुनुहुन्छ है। हिल हाफ म्याराथन 2021 मा तपाईँहरूले भाग लिनुभयो नि र एक्सपिरियन्स कस्तो रह्यो?
एकदमै राम्रो एक्सपिरियन्स रह्यो, एकदमै दामी बाटो रहेछ, लोकेसन पनि एकदम दामी, मन पर्यो।
योभन्दा अगाडि तपाईँले सिक्किम म्याराथनमा पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुभएको छ?
गरेको थिएन, यो पहिलो प्रथमपल्ट हो।
21 किलोमिटर्स कम्प्लिट
गऱ्यौँ।
च्यालेन्जेस कस्तो रह्यो?
च्यालेन्जेस राम्रो थियो, तर अलिकति माथिसम्म जेन्जेलसम्म राम्रो थियो। त्यहाँदेखि जतिवटा त्यो म्याकाडमको बाटो थियो त्यो अलिकति अप्ठ्यारो थियो, त्यो चाहिँ अलिकति रिस्की लाग्यो।
तर तपाईँलाई मजा छ आयो?
हजुर, इन्जुरी हुने चाहिँ म्याक्सिमम चान्स थियो, त्यति मात्रै थियो, नभए त एकदम बाटोको सिलेक्सन राम्रो गर्नुभएको थियो।
रुट एकदम इन्ट्रेस्टिङ थियो र डिफ्रेन्ट थियो तपाईँहरूको लागि। र साथैमा तपाईँको एक्सपिरियन्स कस्तो रह्यो?
मलाई त के भन्नु, अब कुद्नु जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो एम थियो नि, अब त्यो कम्प्लिट गर्ने, त्यो चाहिँ गर्नु थियो। 21 किलोमिटर त्यो कम्प्लिट गऱ्यौँ, त्यसमा खुसी लाग्यो। बाटो जुन चाहिँ थियो त्यो अब टफ नै हुन्छ, आफ्नो स्ट्रेन्थ अनुसारमा चाहिँ कुद्नु पर्यो।
र अहिले कस्तो लागिरहेको छ 21 किलोमिटर्स कम्प्लिट भयो?
अहिले कम्प्लिट गरिसके चाहिँ फिलिङ भेरी प्राउड हो। म आफै फिजिकल्ली हेर्दाखेरि कुद्नु सक्दिनँ होला जस्तो लागेको थियो, तर कुदेँ। आइ एम भेरी प्राउड अफ माइ सेल्फ एन्ड टु माई टिम जसले मलाई इन्करेज गर्थ्यो।
तपाईँले यो म्याराथन त कम्प्लिट गर्नुभयो है 21 किलोमिटर्सको, र आउने दिनमा तपाईँहरूले सिक्किममा आएर यसरी नै पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुहुने सोच्नु भएको छ?
हजुर हजुर हजुर, हामीले सोचेको छ।